All right, some breaking news now coming in on the story from Maharashtra, the Thackeray cousins reuniting. Now Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has reacted. He has hit out after the Thackeray reunion and he said that reunion won't change much. That is Devendra Fadnavis' first reaction. You can imagine the BJP watching these developments very, very closely. They've reunited for the BMC elections. Devendra Fadnavis saying the reunion will not change much, saying the Marathis are no longer with the Thackeray's and that the Thackeray's have a history of corruption. Let's take a look at this first reaction by the Chief Minister to the Thackeray's sharing a stage coming together for BMC elections.
देखिए, हाइप तो ऐसे क्रिएट की जा रही है मानो रशिया और यूक्रेन ही साथ में आ गया और ज़ेलेंस्की और पुतिन बात कर रहे हैं। इस प्रकार की हाइप दो पार्टियां जो अपना अस्तित्व खोज रही है, जिन्होंने अपना अस्तित्व गंवा दिया है, जिन्होंने बार बार भूमिकाएं बदलकर लोगों के बीच अपने बारे में अविश्वास पैदा किया है, जिन्होंने तुष्टीकरण की नीति को अपनाकर एक प्रकार से अपना वोट बैंक खो दिया है, ऐसी दो पार्टियां साथ में आई है तो उनके साथ में आने से कौन सा फर्क पड़ने वाला है। ये तो दोनों अपना अस्तित्व बचाने के लिए साथ में आए हैं। अस्तित्व बचाने के लिए साथ में आकर कोई चुनाव नहीं जीता जाता। जो मुंबई के लोग हैं उन्होंने हमारा विकास का काम देखा है, मुंबई के लोगों ने हमने किया हुआ परिवर्तन देखा है, इसलिए मुंबई हमारे साथ है, मुंबई हमारे साथ रहेगी, हमारी महायुति मुंबई जीतेगी। देखिए, मुझे तो अब ये लगता है कि हिंदू हृदय सम्राट शिवसेना प्रमुख बाला साहब ठाकरे के बाद अब उद्धव जी के पास या राज जी के पास कोई विचार ही बचा नहीं, इनके पास कोई विचार नहीं। ये अवसरवादिता की राजनीति करते हैं, विचारों की राजनीति इन्होंने समाप्त कर दी, इन्होंने दफना दी, विचारों की राजनीति को दफना कर अवसरवादिता की राजनीति करते हैं, इसलिए तुष्टीकरण कर रहे हैं।
So Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis there saying there's no ideology left, it's all about opportunism. Well, let's go across to Saurabh Gupta, who joins us from Mumbai, who's been tracking all these developments. And Saurabh, so finally today, the big announcement, Thackeray brothers coming together, something of course that was building up over the last couple of months. Devendra Fadnavis talking about how this is going to make no difference. The Marathis are no longer with the Thackeray's.
Yes, this was building up for some time, especially after, this whole coming together of the Thackeray cousins on the issue of the Marathi language. Now, following that, there have been talks of the alliance building up and alliance being made for the BMC election. That has been officially announced today with both Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray sitting side by side and addressing the media to say that they have come together and they've come together for the cause of the Marathi Manus. The agenda, the plank is quite clearly going to be the Marathi agenda for them for the BMC elections. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray using that phrase, katenge to batenge, which was of course made in a different context by politicians from other states. And then of course now it's been, he said that if you're divided, you will be finished forever. So, that's the whole plank that the Thackeray's have chosen. Now, the Devendra Fadnavis and the BJP, of course, are looking at establishing their writ over Mumbai. In 2017, when the last BMC election was held, the BJP came very close. They were at 82, the Shiv Sena was at 84. Then, of course, the undivided Shiv Sena. Of course, Raj Thackeray with his Maharashtra Navnirman Sena already existed at that time too. Now, after the split in the Shiv Sena in 2022, Eknath Shinde has the bow and arrow symbol. Uddhav Thackeray is now the chief of the Shiv Sena UBT. So, the Shiv Sena UBT and the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, led by the Thackeray cousins, are now in an alliance. There's also an effort to bring the NCP SP into this group. Remember, that's also something that's being worked out. And also, the Congress is very clearly not going to be part of any of this. The Congress is uncomfortable with in an alliance with Raj Thackeray. So that's where it stands. But yes, this was a mega Thackeray reunion. But like they say, it's not done till it's done. This time it seems finally done. But again, the devil always lies in the details, and the seat sharing is.
All right, Saurabh, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. So the Thackeray cousins, they're coming together after 20 long years sharing the stage. Seat sharing arrangement has also been made, and also using the phrase which is known, which is the UP Chief Minister is known for, "Batenge to Katenge." Raj Thackeray, Uddhav Thackeray coming together for the crucial BMC election, which has always been dominated by the Shiv Sena. Remember, also the BMC elections have been delayed by 4 years. And so now everyone in Maharashtra really building up to this. The Thackerays making this announcement at an event in Mumbai, which started with a homage to Bala Saheb Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray said that the alliance between the MNS and UBT Sena has been sealed for Mumbai and for Nashik as well. MNS chief Raj Thackeray asserting that Mumbai will get a Marathi mayor, assuring that a person will be from the Shiv Sena MNS alliance. Now, according to sources, the MVA has worked out a seat sharing pact for Mumbai civic body polls, and UBT Sena will be contesting on 145 to 150 seats. MNS will contest 65 to 70.
मुंबईवरती आणि महाराष्ट्रावर मुंबईवरती आणि महाराष्ट्रावरती कोणी वाकड्या नजरेने किंवा त्यांच्या कपटी कारस्थानाने महाराष्ट्राला मुंबईपासून किंवा मुंबईला महाराष्ट्रापासून मराठी माणसापासून तोडण्याचा प्रयत्न करेल त्याचा राजकारणात खात्मा केल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही शपथ घेऊन आम्ही मैदानात उतरलेलो
की कुठल्याही वादापेक्षा आणि भांडणापेक्षा महाराष्ट्र मोठा आहे आणि मला असं वाटतं तिथून त्या आज आम्ही एकत्र येण्याची सुरुवात त्या वाक्यापासून झाली.
All right, so that was the cousins there speaking after announcing their alliance. Let's listen into what else was said by other political leaders.
नंबर शेयरिंग जो होता है वो व्यापार होता है राजनीति में. आपको इतना सीट शेयरिंग, ये व्यापार है. यहाँ भाइयों में व्यापार नहीं है, ये फैमिली है, समझा. हम देख लेंगे हमको क्या करना है.
कांग्रेस को भी आखिरी
ये कांग्रेस को हमने बहुत बार रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि बीजेपी को अगर हमको हराना है तो आपको साथ आना होगा.
इस क्षण का इंतजार पूरे महाराष्ट्र में लोग कर रहे थे, जनता कर रही थी, खास करके मराठी जनता तो इसकी इंतजार में थी. और ये गंगा जमुना का संगम मराठी हमारी जो जनता है उनको तो बहुत ही अभिमान देने वाली बात आज हो रही है. अब ये इसको लेकर आगे चलकर जो राजनीति होगी वो आप देख लेना. राजनीति से भी सामाजिक रीति आज इसी महाराष्ट्र में, इसी मुंबई में, आपको पता है मुंबई कैसी है, इंक्लूसिव कहते हैं ना, सभी को समाये लेने वाली है. हमने कभी जात पात पंथ धर्म नहीं देखा.
For last so many days we were waiting for this particular movement, and I think it's a very important moment for Marathi Manus, and it's after the 1960. It's the first biggest event for Marathi Manus.
इन दोनों को इस बात का डर है कि मुंबई की जनता एनडीए के, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विकास को चुनने जा रही है. और ये डर ये दर्शाता है कि जिस तरीके से मुंबई में एक विकास की लहर आगे बढ़ रही है, इसी कारण ये दोनों परिवारवादी अपनी जमानत बचाने के लिए साथ में आए हैं.
So the Thackeray cousins sharing a stage today, coming together for this alliance. They've had quite a rocky relationship, as one knows. There's been a lot of bitterness and anger as well. But now a reunion between the two Thackerays. The BJP is saying it's a matter of survival. So why this reunion now? Well, mutual political weakness, one of the key reasons that they have come together. The BJP is the common opponent for both of them now. So they want to really get that mindset, really grasp that electorate that has now switched over to the BJP, also a changed mindset after their political defeats, not just the assembly elections, but also in the local body elections that just took place in Maharashtra. So that is the reason. Also political survival over ego. So they've had to put their egos aside and come together to face the electorate and to fight the BMC elections, because BMC elections, remember, is a very prestigious and crucial elections. It's always been dominated by the Shiv Sena. In fact, let's go across to Saurabh for more on that. And Saurabh, the reason that the Thackeray brothers really coming together for the BMC elections, BMC has always been dominated by the Shiv Sena, and the elections, as we keep mentioning, is an election that has been delayed by 4 years, and that really shows how important it is.
Absolutely. 2024, I beg your pardon, 2022 is when this election was supposed to take place, and it's 2026 that it's taking place in. So give or take, yes, 4 years, a little less than that. But the political realities that are currently there in Maharashtra did make a strong case for the Thackeray cousins to come together. Despite their differences in the past, they decided that it was time to bury those differences and fight together. What are they fighting for? They are fighting for the Thackeray legacy, the Thackeray, political influence that the families always had. Now, Eknath Shinde split the Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray and walked away with majority of the MPs, MLAs and also corporators. In that vacuum, for the Shiv Sena, UBT, led by Uddhav Thackeray, it is a vacuum. So they needed to have alliances. They were also keen to get the Congress on board. And remember, they've been trying to get the Congress on board, but the Congress feels that having an alliance with Raj Thackeray would do them no good. So the Congress has decided to fight on its own. How that will pay off, whether that will help the BJP, we will know on the day.
Right, Saurabh, we'll just come back to you. Let me just take our viewers through, both the personalities, Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray. What are the strengths, what are the weaknesses? If we talk about Uddhav Thackeray, well, legacy control over BMC for decades, strong party structure at the ward level, sympathy factor after his party was split. Remember, Eknath Shinde taking away a sizable part of his party, acceptability among India bloc allies. Now let's take a look at his weaknesses. Cadre erosion after the Shinde defection, image of soft leadership. This is something that's reiterated by Eknath Shinde in the BJP again and again. Limited mass mobilization on streets and dependence on allies. Now if we talk about his opportunities, well, alliance with Raj Thackeray can recover the Marathi votes. BNC polls can be a comeback platform for Uddhav Thackeray. The threats that he faces, the BJP-Shinde combination with funds and machinery, voter fatigue with the old leadership, internal dissent and a split verdict benefiting the BJP. So that's as far as Uddhav Thackeray goes. Let's now talk about cousin Raj Thackeray, and let's take a look at his strengths first. Fiery, he's a very good orator, and he has a street presence, strong Marathi identity appeal, ability to set agenda and dominate discourse. He has a youth connect as well in urban pockets. But there are a lot of weaknesses, and he's never really had much electoral, success, weak electoral track record, thin organizational structure, perception as a spoiler party, inconsistent political positioning as well. Remember, at one point he was with the NDA. Opportunities. Now, Alliance gives MNS relevance and scale access to BMC power via partnership, and also rebrand from protest to governance and reviving the party base before state polls. The threats, however, remain. The risk of being subsumed by UBT Shiv Sena, that is one of the worries for him. Also, failure could marginalize the MNS further, and the BJP co-opting the Marathi narrative and high expectations. There's a low margin for error. So those are some of the worries and the threats that he has. So that's a look at both the cousins coming together after 20 years. Well, let's get you some breaking news now coming in, and as expected, a reaction from Eknath Shinde, who broke away from Uddhav Thackeray, taking away a sizable part of the Shiv Sena, and he has said that in a democracy, alliance and fronts keep happening. Such alliances will continue for survival. So taunting the Thackeray brothers, saying that this is a matter of survival for them, and also saying that no matter which alliance it is, the Grand Alliance, the Mahayuti, is still intact and remains strong.
ये विकास का नहीं है, ये कुर्सी का किस्सा है, ये सत्ता का किस्सा है, ये वोट का लालच, वोट की नीति है, ये नोट की नीति है। उनको क्या चाहिए? इतने साल उन्होंने सत्ता भोगी है, क्या मुंबई के लिए किया है? बाला साहब ठाकरे जी के विचार को हम आगे बढ़ा रहे, तो उन्होंने जो जो कहा है वो हम सब करेंगे, उतनी हिम्मत हमारे में है। और महायुति सरकार जो है ये लोगों के लिए है, कुर्सी के लिए नहीं है। ये सिर्फ कुर्सी है, ये सत्ता हथियाने के लिए। ये सोने का अंडा देने वाली मुर्गी मुंबई ऐसे तरीके से देखते हो, उनको क्या लेना देना नहीं, मुंबई वासियों से नहीं, मराठी मानुष के साथ नहीं, उनको सिर्फ चाहिए कुर्सी, और लोग जान चुके हैं।